Oh, hey, welcome back. You guys ever want to do something cool, make something no one's ever done before? Create an idea, make an idea in your head, an actual physical thing you can touch. Well, I've actually done that with these taillights for my Eclipse in the background right there. These are gonna shut it down. Check them out. This is the final version, as of right now at least. Here's my idea behind the lights, okay? We obviously got the fiber optic, all that good stuff right there. I think that design looks freaking sweet. The amber corner is very important to me. Hint at the Euro JDM taillights on these things. In a minute here, I'll show you guys what it looks like powered up. Here's what the inside looks like. I'm gonna plug this real quick. So this is what it looks like inside. Obviously still looks just like a regular taillight, right? Nothing too crazy going on there. Besides the parts that I had to cut away, get everything to fit. I had to iron out every single step of the process so that actually now making these, the first one took me 2 years and 11 months. This side, I could have literally start to finish, had this taillight done in a day or two. So let's see what these look like powered up. All right, so I have these running on a Ghost module. This is running the Ghost 2.0. Let me get this wired up here quick. And we'll do a demonstration. Okay. Now, a lot of people, they love the show modes, right? For me, personally, I love like the stock functions. So like the brake, turn signals, parking lights, all that. That's my favorite thing. Here is what the parking light looks like. Boom. We got parking light. And here is the turn signal. Okay, and then the brake. That is the actual functionality of it, which I think is pretty cool. All right, and I can't change any of the modes because I'm recording on my phone. But anyways, this is like the show mode. This is just a simple wave function, but it's got plenty of different options to go through. Let me know what you think about those in the comments down below. If you think they're cool, if you like what you see here, then follow me along, follow the channel, obviously subscribe, like, comment, and we will be doing more projects like this, as well as some other stuff too.